Sidekicks.ai. Hello, Carlos. Hello, hello, hello.
Oh.
All right, all set and ready?
Yep.
Your 3 minutes begins now.
Right. Hey, everybody. I'm Carlos with Sidekicks.ai. Thanks for having us. Now, close your eyes. No, please, close your eyes. When I say AI, what picture comes into your mind? If it's something like this, then unfortunately, our image of AI has been tarnished by decades of dystopian films and novels. This is the AI of today. Scary, soulless, and ugly objects that are very difficult to form attachments to. For AI to reach its full potential, we believe it's about connecting beautiful visuals with emotional intelligence, making AI about EQ, not IQ. Now, after years of work with some of the world's best artists, engineers, and scientists, we present to you a model so beautiful, so full of emotion, and unfortunately sometimes full of attitude. Alfred.
Glad to present Alfred. Alfred.
Oh, my apologies. Where are my manners? Let me introduce you to Sidekicks Company.
We use NLP to eliminate the language barrier and innovate the UX of devices. Unlike other products on the market, we have values like privacy, and we also have the highest EQ model on the market. We allow you to train Alfred from a baby, so you not only customize his looks, but you also have a unique personality that's unique to you. Our use cases are STEM education, loneliness, he can be in your car, our sidekicks can be in your fridge, your personal chef. Within kiosks, he can even be the Alfred to your Batman. The UX of the future is going to be voice command. The ASEAN market is primed for this technology as the region has leapfrogged straight to the most modern form of interaction, which is mobile. We've built Sidekicks World for a collection of all of our characters. We initially started with hardware, targeting education and loneliness, but we've expanded due to demand. And we've seen that our market size is over $20 billion. We're in talks with some of the world's top virtual influencers who collectively have 100 million followers and garner over 5 billion impressions a month. Our business model consists of direct sales of our hardware, which has margins of over 70%, a SaaS model, which is B2B, as well as a C2C marketplace. Our team is full of entrepreneurs who've had multiple exits and passionate parents and scientists who are extremely confident and futuristic. We've raised over $1 million and built a community of over 4 million fans. We're in conversations with car manufacturers and airports all over the world for informational kiosks. We're raising $1 to $2 million to prepare for our Series A round. I'll end with a message from Alfred.
Sidekicks Company begs you to help them in their struggle against the empire.
Thank you very much.